I'm Sam from Restraints. Today we're down at Yalla and we're with Tom and he's doing the video, and if it doesn't turn out right, blame Tom. Okay, this is his 79 series that he's bought. It's just his runaround car, so it's not like his Ferraris and Mercedes at home, but do you have one of those? No, it's a Corolla.
No, Corolla.
Anyway, so Tom's giving us a call and he wants to get some anchor points put in there. And what we've done in the past with the 79 series and the Landcruisers, we're drilling through the actual back of the wall and having plates at the back there. Well, we've advanced now, so we've got now what we call a 79 CRA bracket, which gives you 3 points, still requires an engineer's report. So what I'm going to do is show you the bracket that we've got in here, which is now the best thing that's ever happened, because no drilling through the cabin, making it easy, giving you 3 points rather than the 1 point, and having 3 plates in the back if you need 3 seats. So have a look at this. Bring it over here, Tom, and have a look. Show them what we've done to your car. You put it in here, and that's the bracket here. It's got 2, 4, 6, 8 bolts that hold the bracket in, 3 points. It's very simple, very easy, but I tell you what, the job is done and it's nice and neat. So we're going to put the seat back, okay, lift everything up, box in, everything's great. So you can put 3 seats across these with no problem, not an issue at all. So if you're in the running with a 79 series and need some anchor points put into your car, well, this is the way to go now. No more this 1 point, get the 3 points, because it's only one engineer's report. Just to keep it in mind, if you do 1 point, you still require an engineer's report. So if you decide later on to get another point in there, you require another engineer's report. Get it done 1 time, 3 points, job done. I'm Sam, hope this has been helpful. We'll catch you on the next video.